Hi, welcome back to Pepple's Potager. So this weekend has been a little busy for me. I haven't had a chance to get a lot of the repairs done on the raised beds, but I did manage to get a lot more seeds in the seed trays today, and as you can hear, it's raining, and that's one of the reasons I haven't been getting a lot of stuff done here. But I wanted to show you real quick what I've been doing here the past few days. Okay, so some of the things I've planted here today, as you can take a look, nasturtiums, and I've been planting those every year for the past couple of years, and I plant those at the corner of my beds to make the beds more attractive, and also they do attract bees, and they are an edible flower as well. Also planting some red Russian kale, and then next to that I have dinosaur kale. I planted both of those types of kale last year. They seem to be my go-to as far as kale goes. I liked both of those. And then next to that, I planted some peppers. And I don't really plan on growing a lot of peppers this year, so I didn't plant a lot of cells of the peppers here. And that's because, well, we just don't eat a whole lot of them. I usually wind up having to give a lot of them away. But the ones I'm growing are Big Dipper sweet peppers. They get up to about a 4 or 5 inch pepper, so they get pretty large. And then I'm growing the confetti peppers again, and last year they put in on a real big color display for me, and they are a variegated pepper. And I also went ahead and started my corn in seed tray here, and I'm planting Silver Queen corn again, and as you can see, I've planted an entire 72 cell seed tray full of them, and I always plant quite a few of them because sometimes corn seeds don't germinate, and I just wanted to make sure that I got enough corn to plant in my raised bed. So I need at least 32 corn plants to plant in my raised beds, and hopefully planting a whole seed tray like this will definitely get me plenty of them. And also next to that, you can see the tomatoes that I planted 2 weeks ago are getting pretty tall now. And of course I have the Cherokee purple there. I have the mortgage lifters and the 4th of July tomatoes, and they're all coming along really well. And probably about next week, give it another week, I'll probably put them into bigger pots. So that might happen maybe next week sometime. But as you can see, they're all doing very well for me. And if you listen, you can hear the rain is coming down pretty hard, and that's kept me from doing a lot of things out in the garden. I wanted to do a lot of repairs on the raised beds, but didn't get to it. But if you look outside my greenhouse there, I did manage to repair one of the 4x8 raised beds, as you can see. And I repaired it with 2-inch Douglas fir boards. They're 2-inch by 12-inch boards, and I did that yesterday, and as you can see, it looks really good. And well, that's all I have for you today. I haven't done a whole lot this week, but maybe I'll have more for you next week. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.